Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about the pound USD trade. This is the one. I took it yesterday. Today is already 13th start, so this is the 12th, November 12th trade, right? Let me show you how I got to, I was able to, pull this through. So let me show you here. Let me just get this together. Okay, now the chart, the analysis was this. Okay, this is the chart I made. I saw that this is so one of those harmonic pattern called Gertler, right? So it has a specific calculation. So I saw it and I made the chart that okay, this is the one that's gonna drop from here to here, and it's on the 11th. So this is the daily chart, right? And then coming into a little bit smaller time frame, I also figured out that right here somewhere was also something cooking, which is this, right? So this is also a butterfly pattern. It's an extended pattern with pattern within pattern. So that was a daily chart ending here, and then the butterfly pattern. I said, okay, this is 127 level. That's the calculation for a turning point. So I said, okay, probably this is where it's gonna drop. Now, if I get into the trade without a system, right here, you see that this is it went up a little bit first, right? So it went up here, maybe 20, 30, 40 pip, and then my SL will hit definitely, right? But then what happened is that I waited, and I'll show you why I wait. So you have to have a system to get in. So this is what happened. That chart, right? Pound USD. So on a 40-minute, as of now, at the end of the day, 12 and 13 just started. So we are here all the way down. This much is probably like 150 pip move, right? On a 40-minute chart. But where did I get in and how? How do I know that it is really going to the downside is the key, right? Not losing and coming up 90% of the time positive. And that is my 7-minute chart from 40 to 7. I have something, a setup, a turning point on a 40, then I try to get in from the 7-minute chart based on certain conditions. So what are they? And what is the 7-minute chart? This is what it is. So you can see that here, this wave, all these lines, yellow, black, and white, they were like mixing it up with this red line, or like kind of above it, right? But here, all of a sudden, it dropped. All of these lines drop below the red line, and now it becomes bearish. And right after that, the yellow is below this black, and both are below the red. These are the conditions for my setup. And then this indicator has to be all the way to the upside, and then it should start to drop, and I get in right there. That is like a confirmation that really my analysis is good on a daily chart, on a weekly, 40-minute chart, and it is coming down, right? So now in this chart here, if I open a trade here, I put my SL here, which is not more than 13, 14 pip. So if I'm wrong, what do I lose? 13 or 14 pip. Similarly, if you can see here, that's the entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here. All of this is just going all the way down. On the bigger scale, what you see only on a 40-minute chart, you just see only straight line here, right? And it is even bullish right now because the yellow is above the black. So this is not to trade. This is only to see the setup is building, either Elliott wave or harmonic pattern or SNR level or trend line bounce or whatever, like a turning point, possible turning point, right? People call it PRZ, right? Also, okay, that's possible reversal zone, right? So after that, but it's only a possibility. What is the guarantee? Nothing. So the guarantee, it comes with this chart, and this is the setup here that we must have the like a system to follow step by step, then see if it is coming down and it is really becoming bearish. If it's keep going up, we have no short whatsoever. So my analysis stays the same and no trade, right? I will just simply watch it where the heck is going. But in this case, my analysis was right, and this thing started dropping, and it became bearish. Nice, beautiful first setup I took here and all the way down here. It went down a little bit more, but there are reason, daily range and all of that, so for me to get out, and that's 115 pips, right? So using the same thing, it's like this system, either from 7-minute chart and 20-minute chart as well. Beautiful entries comes in, and let me show you only for, but by the way, this is what happened on the daily chart. See, from here to here. And you saw that 40-minute chart so far from here to here. And more to come, more to come. These patterns, they, go down a lot. But obviously, they're not going to go down, 300, 400 pip a day. So every day, a little by little. So now it dropped here. It may bounce and go back up here, right? To 31.99, and then make a short setup again and then drop. So a little retracement and always making a wave, right? So that's how it is. But once you understand and learn the system, it becomes very easy. Now, and this is what happened. And the daily chart, it came down nicely. And then this is just the first stop according to the pattern. This can go all the way down here, right? So we will see how the news comes out. It all depends on the data. But let me show you only today, using the system only today on the 12th, how many trades and how I pull them. See this, the same setup. Yellow is above the black. It's a 20-minute chart, so no, there is no involvement of the red line, only yellow and black. So, and this indicator. So it was all the way down, yellow above the black, red candle turns blue, and boom, open the trade, 90 pip. This is the one, the pound USD that I just showed you. Pound yen here, yellow below the black. This indicator all the way up, going down, blue candle turning red, and I open the trade here, sell order right there, and this is 125. Same story here. It was a big drop first, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, it went up, yellow, blue become, above the black, and this whole thing become bullish, and this indicator all the way down, red candle turn into blue. As soon as it does, I open a trade, put my SL here. It went up 95 pip. Oops, and then this one, use the cat again. This was the first one that you just saw. I closed here, it dipped, and then gave me another entry, went up. And there's another entry and went up, but this is where I close. That's 50 pip. I already made 90 pip out of this pair. And then Euro Aussie, same thing as Euro. You just saw the Euro Nuzi, right? Drop here. There was bearish here, and then it went up. Yellow above the black. This thing indicate all the way down. And here's my buy order. I put entry here, SL here, and you can see all of these. The price never come and hit my SL. Those hit my SL. I'm not showing. Obviously, there are a couple of them, but my SL is on from the 20-minute chart is only 25 pip, and always fixed 25, because these candles are same size all the time. So when you open after couple of blue candle, and then put the SL right there behind the high and the low, or the low, then it's always 25 pip. On 7-minute chart is always 13 pip. So the risk is minimum, and then reward is a lot. So I think this is it. So I have like 5 or 6 beautiful trades today. Yeah, a lot of pippage, and a couple of SL hit, which are probably like 50, 60 pip went back, but after making like hundreds of pips, right? Again, let's go back here. That's 85 pip here, 50 here, 95 here, 125 here, 115 here, and 90 here, right? So if you give back 60, 70, 80 pip, no big deal, right? So those are small SLs, like 25 pip or 13 pip here, there. But this is how it is. This is how the system works. So just wanted to show you, if you're interested, you want to get the system, you want to learn, go on my website and subscribe and get on with it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the trading day, which is the today, Friday, right? So I should say that, have a wonderful weekend, which is coming now, right? All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.